Ethernet 0/1, and then for router 2, from router 2 to router 3, we choose the interface Ethernet 0/0. Okay, and then if you already make the topology, don't forget make the topology on. You can click the start for the router until the color change to blue. Okay, like this. Then for the next step is we will configure the router from router 1, the first. Okay, and enter. Wait. Wait. Okay, still lag. Okay, and then fill the no. Right. Okay, for the first you must enable your router, and if you want to configure it, you can write the const on or configure terminal, and then the first we go to interface Ethernet 0/1, and then give the IP for Ethernet 0/1 or router 1. The IP is 12.0.1, and then the subnet, don't forget. And then after this, don't forget add the now shutdown and add the interface loopback. And then for interface loopback, give the IP is 1.1, and then the subnet mask is 25. Okay, enter, and then now shutdown, and after this you can add the router EIGRP 10. Okay, and then if you already add the router EIGRP, give the router EIGRP network is 1.1, and subnet is 0. Ada router EIGRP 10. Oh, sorry. And then 0, and then add the network again is 12, and then the subnet is 0. And for the last, don't forget to add the no auto summary. Okay, like this. And then this is for the configured to router 1 is already complete. The first go to interface Ethernet 0/1 and give the IP 8. IP8, and then interface loopback, IP81, router IGRP, network, and now to summary. Okay, for the next, go to router 2, enter. Okay, the first is enable conf t and go to interface 0/1 and give the IP. The IP is 12.2 and subnet 255.0 and NOSH interface, and then go to interface 0/0 IP8 23.2, and then the subnet mask is 245.0. Don't forget to add NOSH or notch it down, and then give the loopback. And add the IP. For the IP is 2.2 and subnet 25. Okay, no. Okay, and then give the router IGRP, network, and then add the network again. For network is 12.2. Subnet 0. Network again 23.2 and then 0, and last is no outer summary. Okay, this is already complete for router 2. We go to router 2 Ethernet 0/1. Okay, as you can see, this is interface Ethernet 0/1, and then for the IP 12.2, and then for interface Ethernet 0/0, this is okay. Have to Ethernet from router 2. For the Ethernet 0/0, the IP address is 23.2, and then the subnet mask is 255.0. Mask it down, and then give the interface loopback 0, and then add the IP 2.2, and then for the last is router 3. Okay, yes. Enable conf and then deploy IP8 23.3, and the subnet is 125.0 0 and give the noise it down. First loop back now, and IP8 is 3.3, 25, 25.0. Wait. Oh. Then give the router AGRP 10 and then network 3.3. And network again 23.3 and plus 3.23 and last is no auto summary. Okay, just a little for configuration from router 3. Interface Ethernet 0 S0, and then the IP address is 23.3, and then interface loopback. For interface loopback, the IP is 3.3, and router AGRP 10, and then with network 3.3, and then network again 23.3, and the last is now the summary. Okay, the configuration is already done, so now we can see the IP table from router 1. Okay, do IP or do show IP route. Already connected. Okay, this is the IP address from router 1, and you can see from router 2. Exit first, do isa IP route. Okay, as you can see from router 2 is already have the IP address and network, because we already give the IP address last time, and the last let's check from router 3. The first we exit first, and then check do show IP route. Okay, this for router 3 is already correct. This have Ethernet 0/0 and IP address already. Okay, maybe for topology and configuration for material about AGRP is already done. Maybe that's all from me for give the material about AGRP basic configuration. Sorry if I have a mistake. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.